buddies has got this. This thing sounds great when you started it up.
It works.
It works. That's pretty sick. The whole thing is a big ass tablet.
Yeah, it's just one big unit.
This roof.
Yeah, it's a panorama, so the whole thing opens and then the whole thing also closes.
Real.
The only one. This is the only one to date that's constructed this way for production.
It's kind of quick. Ooh. Little back pressure pop.
Lots of crazy shit.
It's kind of got some handles.
It's supposed to. Got the handles, we're done. Whee! Yeah, it's kind of fun to drive.
Well, yeah. I'm still tripping on the seat right now. There's misogyny and pulsation going on. That exhaust. That exhaust is killer, man.
So crazy. That's just in sport mode. If I pull it down to a race mode, it'll be even worse. Yeah.
Oh, man. That's crazy. This thing is like glued to the ground.
It is. I just hit like 105.
Oh man, the exhaust sounds great. I thought you were accelerating, and then you accelerated. Oh man, this is crazy.
Yeah, no, I love it.
Now, this doesn't make you forget about the ding, because you got that look of, yeah, this is great,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it's like you got that but at the end. Oh, it's great, but I don't know, man. I'd probably get over it.
Big set?
Yeah. I mean, I know you want that.
Yeah.
Or the new one of
I
it.
want an M version.
Well, yeah. I mean, you couldn't go to anything other than the M after this.
Yeah, that's an 850. It's okay, you know. But this thing.
I don't know. I don't know that I would. I mean, I like BMWs. We both, you know, have had BMWs, but I don't know that a BMW is going to give me
Not
the
this
same
one.
thrill.
No.
I don't know of anything other than like a Lambo or something.
They're trying with the new M packages and the way they're tuning the suspension, but this thing is just far superior to that.
Mood lighting. We're at a nightclub right now. It's called AMGville.